Hey YouTube! How in the fuck are you guys doing today? So today we got a pretty massive fucking Mack tool haul for the service truck. Hold on here. Let me find that. Got the old receipt right here. So we've been slowly working on the service truck. I have about everything in there. The only stuff that I'm kind of missing now is a ladder, and I bought a ladder for the truck to go in the bed just so I can climb up on at the plants and stuff like that, and getting all the tools and stuff like that. I will show it to you guys, and we will get a final weight after we get all this stuff. So today, this is about $2,900 worth of shit. I have a whole bunch of more stuff on order, probably equals that or more, but just want to show it to you. Also, at the end of this video, I had a viewer send me something a long time ago. His name was John Keller. He sent me something for the service truck, and we'll go ahead and show you what that is and get it in the truck. Shit. Let me tell you, YouTube, it's been a hell of a week, okay? It is now Saturday. I'm working on taking the stupid stickers off the side of the truck. Boy, I should have told them not to put those on there, but we're on the 4-hour tour on that. I don't know where I would be without the Snap-on Crud Thud Great Tool. Well, anyway, let's get this in there. So, the first thing I bought is Mack locking 1/2-inch impact sockets. I like to have some locking ones every once in a while for getting down in the tight spots, because I end up knocking the socket off and, you know, whatever. Alrighty, the next thing is, this was in this month's flyer. It's the pick bundle. See, look at this. Sticker material. It's the long and short picks. I'm going to try these picks. I got some snap-on ones too. Got that. Alrighty. Let's see what else we got. Alright. I actually used this yesterday. I kind of like this tool. What it is it's a circuit tester, and it's got, shit, let me see here. These two alligator clips. And it'll tell you if you got power and ground, or you got ground but no power, that type of stuff. You know, kind of shorten it like a power probe. I probably need to get a power probe. I have that Snap-on one. I just can't ever remember how the goddamn thing works. It's too complicated, you know. So, Jesus. Got that thing, and also it came with this retractable test leads, which this is in next month's flyer. My guy hooked me up with that this time. Thank you, Kelly. So next month's flyer, I forget how much this is. I gotta look on, fuck, I don't know. Let's see here. The mini pick bundle was discount of $45. I got a $20 discount on the socket sets. Let's see, I think I get a discount on everything. Okay, the circuit tester was 56 bucks, and then you get that with it, so that's cool. The next thing I bought is the Mack Axis long locking flex head ratchet. So I got 3/8, 1/2-inch, 1/4-inch. Alrighty, I'm going through the Mack Axis comfort grip. So he also had these on the truck. This is 1/2-inch. I think this one is 18 inches. I got a 6-inch 1/4-inch. I got a 9-inch 3/8, and the 13-inch 3/8. I like to have different ratchets on the truck. Also for the service truck, I love these Mack lights. I don't know what it is. I like this one and the Snap-on one. But I bought all 3 sizes of these. He only had these 2 on the truck. So next week, you know, it's the ALS 700 and whatever. So we got that. I bought some automatic center punches just because they were on the truck. I kind of like these. You can never have enough center punches, the way I look about it. Now, Hard Knocks Forge is about to get super excited. But what these are is, like, you know those GM weather pack connectors and those stupid things? This is weather pack connector crimpers. So this is SK. He had these on the truck. I like how loose these are. These are, you know, the other ones are real hard. So got those for the service truck because, you know, what happens is you put a pair in your pocket, then it'll come back and, oh boy, whatever. They'll be all over the place. The next thing I got is a Mack blowgun, and I liked all these different big blowgun tips. You know, I like this big one in case you have to stick in something to blow a, you know, like a seal, or, you know, sometimes they have those like push stuff, so got that. The next thing I got is the Precision Torque SAE set, wrench set. I really like these Precision Torque wrenches. I don't know what it is. My metric set is kind of like my go-to set. I like these. But I got them all the way up to 1.25 inches. I like kind of how long these are. You know, they're kind of like, they're a little bit longer than the regular wrenches and not as long as like the long wrenches. So they're good in between. I also bought 12-point ratcheting wrenches. I like the offset of these. You know, the Mack ones, I don't know what part number this is, but I think I got a deal on these. And then I bought the SAE set because you can never have enough ratcheting wrenches in the service truck. Who knows what we're going to get into, but at least it's fully loaded, and when I'm driving it around at my house at night, I can do honey-do list and all that stuff. I got a bunch of more stuff on order. This is a funnel kit. It was in this month's flyer, this flexible funnel. I kind of like this thing. I needed one of these for the Duramax forever, but, you know, all that. Also, if any Ford guys out there, do you know what size the fuel filter underneath the hood is? Because when I bought this set, it came with this little thing, like these little 36 millimeter, you know, like oil. I think these are like the oil filter, and it's probably fuel filter type caps. Like, I know this one will work on the Duramax 36, you know, not for impact use is what they say on them. But I got that. All right. Let's see what else. Shit. I got, oh boy. You know, then it came with this also, which is, they call it, shit, what the hell is this? Oh, this is like so you can put it on the drain plug of something and pull it out. I thought, well, you know, it was cheaper in the bundle than it was all by itself. So you know how it is, taking advantage of those tool chests. Oh man, this is awesome. So I wanted to have something to change fuel filter wrench, or fuel filters and oil filters, just in case I have to take something apart. So I got these bad boys. I've been using the ones here at the shop. I really like them. And then this is just the smaller size for the smaller filters. So like for hydraulic filters or anything like that, we have it on the service truck. So anyway, that's the MACTOOLS haul. What I've been kind of doing, guys, is as projects come up around here in the shop, I don't know if this is the right way of doing it, but I've kind of been working out of the service truck. Not so much the shop tools. Like if, you know, we have a truck comes in that's broken or something, I kind of been working out of this so I know kind of what I need in the future. And I'm sure this is an evolution and all that stuff. It'll get more crazy as we go. But anyway, let me show you what this guy, you know, got me. I got a big old box. So this is from a subscriber named John Keller. He, like I said, thank you, John. You sent this to me. Oh my God. a while ago. It was probably in November when I first started talking about the service truck. And let's see what we got here. Oh boy. Oh, that's the tendonitis. Whoa. Alrighty. Look at this. He got us it's called a Rough Rider Bone Creeper. Wow, this thing is pretty cool. It's made in Kent, Ohio. I like it because the casters are going to bolt on there. That's awesome. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and, you know, put this together. John, thank you so much for this. Put it up in there, and we'll see what the casters look like here. Oh boy, look at that. Got some bolts. Jesus. Fuck. There we go. There we go. Look at these wheels. He said that he had one of these on his service truck. He said it's the best creeper that he's used. So we'll have to try that out. But look at this. Gives you wings. It's a pretty cool creeper. I'll go ahead and put this together. You know, a little bit later. Not in the video, but a little bit later. Anyway, John, thank you so much for sending that to me. Like I said, we'll do a tour of the service truck once I get it all done. Other than that, like always, check out Instagram, Facebook, fucking Patreon, TikTok, all the other social media bullshits. And like always, thanks for watching. I gotta put all this shit away.